Easy way to draw a person. All right, let's start. First, draw an oval in the middle of your paper. Next, add a short line underneath it for the neck. Now, from both ends of the neck, draw lines going to the left and right. After that, continue those lines downward and add a small bend to show the elbows. Do the same thing on the other side. Next, place a dot here and another dot here. From those dots, draw straight lines going down. Then continue drawing the arms. Now let's draw the shirt. Draw a curved line under the neck for the t-shirt collar. Don't forget to add curves on the sleeves too. Then draw the bottom part of the shirt. After that, draw lines going down from under the shirt for the legs. Do the same on the other side. In the middle, place a dot. From that dot, draw lines going downward. Then connect the ends of those lines. For the shoes, draw the lines going down a little more. Then add some curved lines like this. Once the shoes are done, let's go back up to the head. For the ears, draw curved lines on the left and right sides of the head. At the same level as the ears, draw curved lines on both sides. Add 2 small dots in the middle for the eyes. Draw an L shape for the nose. Add a small curved line for the mouth. Don't forget the eyebrows. Now draw the hair. Next, for the hands, draw a curved line here. Then draw a J shape for the thumb. Add more curved lines for the fingers. Finally, connect all the lines. Comment below, which part was the hardest for you to follow?